Step back with one leg into a lunge position with the front leg bent and the back leg straight. Square your hips so they are facing forward and space the feet so they are not in line with each other. Lift the arms overhead and bend toward the bent knee side. Repeat on the other side. Do this often throughout the day.
If you enjoyed what you learned today, click the like button down below. If you happen to be new, please subscribe to our channel to stay tuned in on upcoming content.